Here are the best top 10 ways you can avoid contracting coronavirus and/or spreading it. 1. Wash your hands frequently. Wash your hands regularly for 20 seconds, with soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. Regular hand washing is one of the best ways to remove germs, avoid getting sick, and prevent the spread of germs to others. Whether you are at home, at work, traveling, or out in the community, keep in mind that hand washing with soap and water can protect you and your family from contracting germs and viruses. 2. Practice respiratory hygiene. Cover your nose and mouth with a disposable tissue or flexed elbow when you cough or sneeze. Use the nearest waste receptacle to dispose of the tissue after use. Perform hand hygiene, like hand washing with non-antimicrobial soap and water, alcohol-based hand rub, or antiseptic hand wash, after having contact with respiratory secretions and contaminated objects/materials. Make sure, you and the people around you, follow good respiratory hygiene. 3. Maintain social distancing. Avoid close contact, keep 1 meter or 3 feet, with people who are unwell and those you are not familiar with. When someone coughs or sneezes, they spray small liquid droplets from their nose or mouth which may contain virus. If you are too close, you can breathe in the droplets, including the COVID-19 virus if the person coughing has the disease. 4. Stay home and self-isolate from others in the household if they feel unwell. If you are self-isolating, you must not leave your home for any reason, other than to exercise once a day, but stay at least 2 meters, 3 steps, away from other people. Not go out to buy food or collect medicine, order them by phone or online, or ask someone else to drop them off at your home. Not have visitors, such as friends and family, in your home. You can use your garden, if you have one. 5. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth if your hands are not clean. It's a quirk of human nature that we touch our eyes, noses and mouths all day long. It's also a major way we pick up infections like coronavirus. Stop touching your face to reduce your chances of catching coronavirus, experts say. Tactics include wearing woolly gloves and an app that sounds a warning if your hand moves to your face. But face touching is an instinctive response to stress and a hard habit to break. In the fight against the new coronavirus, there's one simple measure we can all take, but that too many of us may sound almost impossible. We need to stop touching our faces. 6. If you have fever, cough and difficulty breathing, seek medical care early. Remain at home in the event that you feel unwell. On the off chance that you have a fever, hack and trouble breathing, look for clinical consideration and bring ahead of time. Follow the headings of your neighborhood well-being authority. 7. Stay informed on the latest developments about COVID-19. Follow advice given by your healthcare provider, your national and local public health authority or your employer on how to protect yourself and others from COVID-19. 8. Avoid touching surfaces where others are touching, like doors, plastics, fabrics, shoes, chairs, computers at work and many other surfaces that are shared. 9. Avoid public and crowded areas. When a novel infection is as yet spreading rapidly, a get-together of companions would now be able to look increasingly like a horde of sickness vectors. A large number of us are pondering, what number of individuals is an excessive number of individuals to be near? The bigger the group, all things considered, the more noteworthy the possibility that somebody in it will have a crown infection. 10. Eat good diet with nutrients that can improve your immune system. Also make sure you wash fruits and vegetables before eating them. Feeding your body certain foods may help keep your immune system strong. If you're looking for ways to prevent winter colds and the flu, your first step should be a visit to your local grocery store. Plan your meals to include these powerful immune system boosters like citrus fruits, red bell peppers, broccoli, garlic, ginger, spinach, yogurt, almonds, turmeric, green tea, papaya, kiwi, sunflower seeds, shellfish, etc. In this global pandemic, please stay safe by following the guidelines streamed by your respective authorities and health officials. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe and hit the bell button, so you won't miss out when we upload a new video. Also, check out our diet and recipe recommendations in the description below to boost your immune system during this global COVID-19 crisis.